But we begin tonight with a little boy seriously wounded, shot in the face. His father under arrest. Good evening and welcome to 7 Action News at 11. I'm Carolyn Clifford.
And I'm Dave Llewellyn. We're learning the 2-year-old shot himself with a pellet gun.
It happened this afternoon in the 4000 block of Bedford on Detroit's east side. This is the 5th time this year a child has been shot accidentally. Police are cracking down on what they call irresponsible gun ownership.
7 Action News reporter Brett Cast is at Children's Hospital in Detroit with the toddler's condition and what police found in the house that is leading to another serious investigation.
Well, this young boy is in serious condition and police say he may need surgery. He was taken here to Children's Hospital. Meanwhile, the father was taken into custody, and based on what police found at his home, he may be facing even more charges unrelated to the shooting.
We have to keep access away from kids because this has happened too many times this year.
Yet again, Detroit police find themselves on the scene of a child shot in the city of Detroit. This time it was a 2-year-old boy shot in the face with a pellet gun. BB gun, a pellet gun, a real gun can all harm or kill someone, especially a kid. Police say the shot knocked out teeth and left fragments of the pellet in the boy's lip. They say he got control of the gun after it fell from a dresser. And it fell somehow, and a child gained access to the gun. It's the 5th time this year alone where a child has been accidentally shot, and police have vowed to hold parents accountable. Just this week, a 68-year-old grandmother was arraigned on second-degree child abuse charges in the accidental shooting of her 5-year-old grandson.
We can't tiptoe around this. There's no nice words to put on this. People have to be responsible with these guns. They have to care. And they have to care about these babies. In this case, the father was arrested and could be facing charges in the shooting. But as police investigated at the home, they stumbled upon something else, a stolen Jeep SRT in the back, along with auto parts. Police say they're now looking into whether this house was possibly a chop shop. But still, the shooting of a child remains top of mind. We have to send a message to not only the parents, but the community as well, that, guns are dangerous, whether they're pellet guns, BB guns, or real guns. Now, it's still unclear what role this father may have had in the stolen car or possible chop shop at the home. But as far as the shooting, he could face charges for child endangerment. Here in Detroit, I'm Brett Cast, 7 Action News.